Welcome traders and investors. In this quick tutorial, we'll break down the Barchart Opinion. We'll show you what it is, where to find it, and how to actually use it as part of your market analysis. Let's start by showing you where Barchart Opinion appears across the site. Click on the Stocks tab and select one of our top stock lists. When you view any of our lists on Barchart, you can change the list view to technical. Here, you'll see the Barchart Opinion directly inside the list where it's available as a sortable column. You'll also see it on every quote page, whether you're looking at a stock, ETF, futures contract, or Forex pair. No matter the asset class, Barchart Opinion is always calculated the same way. First, an important clarification. Barchart Opinion is not a buy or sell recommendation. It's a technical summary tool, not a prediction engine. It's also very different from analyst ratings, which are based on fundamental research like earnings, revenue, balance sheets, and personal criteria. Barchart Opinion is purely technical. It reflects what price is doing right now across multiple strategies. To understand Barchart Opinion, you need to understand the core tools behind it. Barchart Opinion doesn't rely on just one indicator. It combines 13 different technical trading strategies grouped into one: short-term indicators, medium-term, and long-term indicators. The percentage you see next to Barchart Opinion represents how many of those strategies are currently bullish versus bearish. It's not telling you what to do, it's showing you how aligned the technical picture is. Each strategy contributes to an overall score, and the overall opinion you see is simply the average of all 13 strategies combined. One of the most important components inside Barchart Opinion is TrendSeeker. TrendSeeker is a trend-following system designed to confirm when a market is in a sustained bullish or bearish trend. On the chart, it appears as dots above or below price. Green dots below price signal a bullish trend. Red dots above price signal a bearish trend. When price stays between the green dots and red dots, that's a hold signal. And TrendSeeker helps filter out noise and keeps traders aligned with the dominant trend. And it's one of the 13 technical strategies used inside Barchart Opinion. Another major component is moving averages, which are trailing indicators. They tell us where price has been, not where it's going. In general, when price is above a key moving average, that's technically bullish. When price is below them, that's technically bearish. This price action creates buy and sell signals based on each moving average. Another key component is moving average crossovers, or MACD. This looks at the relationship between a short-term and long-term moving average. When the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, it's a bullish signal. Vice versa, when the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average, it's a bearish signal. Now let's look at another example of how those signals show up in Barchart Opinion. Here, let's pull up the 50-day moving average signal. This simply tracks whether price is holding above or below that average and updates the signal as price changes. One thing to keep in mind here is that shorter and mid-term indicators, like single moving averages, can generate multiple signals as price moves back and forth. That's why it's important not to rely on just one indicator in isolation. Next, let's switch it to the 50-day and 200-day crossover. This is where we get familiar signals like the infamous death cross when the 50-day crosses below the 200-day, and the golden cross when the 50-day moves above the 200-day moving average. By combining a short-term and long-term moving average, this crossover naturally filters out a lot of that short-term noise for smoother, slower, and more reliable signals, especially for long-term traders and investors. What's important to understand is that Barchart Opinion automatically tracks all of these signals for you: single moving averages, crossovers, short-term and long-term trends, and blends them into one consistent technical view. Now, let's take this one step further by clicking into Strength and Direction. This section helps us understand not just what the signal is, but how close that signal may be to changing, and how strong the recent momentum is behind it. Strength tells us how close the trend is to changing from a buy to a sell, or from a sell to a buy. Strength does not apply to hold signals. When a signal has just changed, strength always starts as weak. As the trend continues, that strength builds. And when strength begins to fade, it can be an early sign that the trend may be losing momentum. Now, direction is a short-term calculation. It looks at the last 3 trading days and tells us whether the price action is moving more strongly or weakening towards the current signal. So if the signal is a buy, direction shows whether recent momentum is strengthening and reinforcing that buy or starting to weaken. So instead of manually checking every indicator, you can quickly see how price is behaving across multiple time frames in one place. And right at the top, you'll see the overall average for Barchart Opinion displayed as a visual gauge. This combines both strength and direction averaged across all 13 technical strategies. Strength shows us how close the overall trend is to changing, while direction shows whether momentum over the last 3 days is getting stronger or weaker towards the buy or sell signal. Now here's where this tool gets even more powerful. If you're a Plus or Premier member, you can click on the dollar icon next to the signal to see how the strategy has performed historically. This opens up a hypothetical performance breakdown, showing you things like total profit or loss, maximum drawdown, number of trades taken, time spent in each trade or signal. This isn't a prediction tool. It's a way to stress test the signal and understand its behavior over time. You'll also notice the Snapshot Opinion, which shows what the technical signal looked like yesterday, last week, or last month. This helps you see whether momentum is strengthening, weakening, or staying consistent over time. Now, Barchart Opinion is updated every 20 minutes during market hours. Each update analyzes price action across 200 trading days to recalculate all 13 strategies. That means you're always seeing a fresh technical read based on a current price behavior. If you don't see this, it's because the asset hasn't traded for 200 days. Now, Barchart Opinion is available for stocks, ETFs, futures, and Forex. Anywhere you see a quote on Barchart, you'll find the opinion right alongside it. The key takeaway is Barchart Opinion doesn't replace your strategy, it supports it. If you want to get daily alerts based on these strategies, check the trading signals under the Stocks tab. And for more tutorials like this, head to the Learn tab and click Site Education, where you'll find videos covering charting tools, indicators, screeners, and advanced workflows. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you for the next one.